So I've had this security camera on the front of our house for a while. Problem is it keeps on going dead and I have to bring it inside to charge it all the time. So I'm finally installing a solar panel. This is a nice big panel that I'm going to mount on this side here, right around the corner from the camera right there, and catch the sunlight. You got these little nails and hooks to secure the cord in place. They also give you some anchors, but I'm just doing the just screw it in method. So I just screwed this mounting thing up there. Oops. Then you take this piece here, which includes that piece that I just dropped, this piece here, and this is going to screw onto that threaded part there, just like this. And then you can adjust, let's see, adjust this part as needed before you tighten it all up. And then you're going to attach a solar panel to here on this thread, which you should really do before you put it up, because then you actually have room to put it up. And then once again, tighten this piece here. All right, and there we go. There is our solar panel. And I'm going to run this along the brick there and caulk it in. And there we go. I did not do the best job in the world caulking that line down, so it doesn't just flap in the wind, that kind of thing, but it's really just to keep it kind of in place. Never again will I have to take that camera in to charge it, so I'll consider that a job well done.